Hello children, welcome to Read and Learn. Story number 1. Let's read, children. Micah was a ballerina who had been practicing for months for her very first dance concert. She was excited but also very nervous. She was worried about everyone watching her and scared she would make a mistake. On the day of the concert, Micah felt her heart racing as she put on her tutu and ballet shoes. Her stomach felt heavy as she walked out onto the stage. But then she remembered what her teacher had told her. Mistakes are okay. They help us learn and grow. Taking a deep breath, Micah began to dance. At first, she stumbled a bit, but then she remembered to focus on her movements and the music. She felt herself getting more confident with each step, and soon she was gliding across the stage with grace and beauty. When she finished, the audience erupted into applause. Micah beamed with pride and happiness, knowing that she had done her best and overcome her fears. She had shown a growth mindset, and she couldn't wait to continue to improve and learn as a ballerina. She was excited for her next concert. Now, children, try to answer the following questions. Good job, children!